Hello, everybody. We're at part 7 of Lab 64. Again, I want to reiterate, for the exam, to pass the exam, you don't have to know how to do this long a lab correctly. You can definitely pass with doing labs that are shorter than that. You might get one like this, maybe it's not even sure that you're going to get a long one like this, but make sure that you know how to do a lab that has maybe 1 or 2 parts like this, maybe 3 at the max. So when I left off part 6, we had made all the configs, and this part of the lab, hopefully I can figure it out. I can figure out all the mistakes that I've done in the YAML file. All right, so if I try to apply this, I see it has a problem with line 41, and it said did not find an expected key, line 41. Okay, so this is good. This is how you will see how to troubleshoot problems. Line 41. Okay, it doesn't like, and I had trouble with this in the past too. Container resources request 3. Maybe it's supposed to be a array. Let's see if there's an example like this. Assigning CPU resources, that should do the trick. All right, request : CPU : okay. Resources limits, request and CPU like this. Under requests, resources request. Under, request, okay. And what it's looking for is CPU in a string with number. Okay, request CPU. Request, that should, maybe, let's see, CPU, limit, request, : CPU : request, : CPU : The only thing that I don't have is anything else I have to add to that? Nope. All right, let's see. Let's see if that did the trick. I don't think so. I did not find expected key. So it's looking for a key under in line 41. Line 41. So under request, it's looking for, it's expecting something else. So this under resources image. Let me just copy this. It should align with the image, right? So resources, containers, container resources, image. Oh, it should be here. That's why. So it has to align with 3DD. It has to align at the same level as image. That's why it's confused it by putting it in the wrong place in terms of spacing. All right, let's give that a shot. Okay, at least you got around that one. All right, next one is unknown field operator in that. Okay, let's look for the operator. Operator, I think I know what's going on there. Yeah, because I gave it a capital case. It doesn't like that. All right, let's give that a shot. All right, next one, invalid value map string. Selector does not match template labels. Okay. Didn't give me a line number though. That's a bummer. Under metadata labels. Okay, so labels. Under labels. Okay, that's not it. By the way, that should be foo anyway. We're not doing any Nginx here, but that doesn't matter. Labels. Okay, is that the only labels I have? Okay, so what's going on? Saying, let's run it again and see if that changes anything. Template metadata labels. Invalid value. It doesn't like the value. Under template metadata. Okay. Let's see. Template metadata labels. Doesn't like the value I'm giving it. Okay. Let's see if we can get an example. Metadata. All right. Invalid labels. Under labels, it doesn't like what it finds. All right. Under labels. Doesn't like that. Okay. All right. I'm ran out of time again. I will see you in part 8 where we finish troubleshooting this long lab. I will see you in part 8.